So, hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and good. This is your Arindam sir, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revision Learning. So, today it is a very special episode of the most important daily current affairs because today we are going to cover the ongoing conflicts and the relationship issues between India and China. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. China-India or Sino-Indo relationship refers to the bilateral relationships between China and India. Although the relationship has been cordial, there have been several border disputes between the two. In the recent days, there are a lot of issues going on between the India and China. Let's see in details what are those issues and how it started between the two. Introduction. It all started when People's Liberation Army of China deployed thousands of soldiers in few areas along the border of India and China in May 2020. These areas include Patrolling Point 14, 15, 17, North Bank of Pangon So Lake, Chushul, Galwan River Valley and Gogra Post. Galwan River Valley is one such border area between the both countries which is being patrolled by both the countries. And this PLA has entered 3 km inside this valley into the Indian territory. And as Galwan River Valley was always theirs, and in return to that, Indian Army is saying that this valley belongs to them. This dispute started a year back when Indian Army had constructed a metal road from Darbak to Daulat Beg Oldi, and from Daulat Beg Oldi connects a part to Karakoram Pass, where the Indian Army is deployed, and this metal road was constructed to send supplies to the Indian Army. As per China's claims that this entire valley belongs to them, that's why they have increased the military troops in this area. Another claim of PLA is the north bank of Pangon So Lake. This lake's shape is so complicated that it looks like fingers, and these fingers starts from 1 to 8. Earlier, Indian Army said that LAC, line of actual control, was on finger 8, but China claims that LAC is on finger 2. Before May, Indian Army regularly patrolled till their perceived LAC at finger 8, 8 kilometers east of finger 4. However, since May 5, when thousands of PLA troops blocked and savagely beat up outnumbered Indian troops in that area, Indian patrols are unable to go beyond finger 4, which the Chinese now claim is the LAC, that is the line of actual control. Chinese army has now built a metal road from finger 4 to finger 8 and claiming that this area belongs to them. The other PLA activities at Nakula, Sikkim and Harsil and the Lipu Lake, Uttarakhand are being viewed as the red herrings, aimed at tying down the Indian troops rather than serving any larger strategic objective. All these activities are done by the Chinese army just to capture major area of Ladakh and other activities that can be termed as fluke, so that Indian army cannot pay attention towards the Ladakh activity. Indian Army and People's Liberation Army of China commanders met on 6 June 2020 from 11:30 am in the morning till 7 pm in the evening at the Chushul in Ladakh to discuss the crisis caused by the occupation by the thousands of Chinese soldiers of territory traditionally patrolled by both the armies. Outcome of this talk was that Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army of China have retreated a bit, and April status quo will be maintained because incursions were started on 5 May 2020, and there will be one more meeting which will take place at a more junior level as compared to this talk. India has also told China that it will not halt construction within Indian boundary, including the Darbuk Shayok and the Daulat Beg Oldi road that provides connectivity to the country's northeastern most outpost. Daulat Beg Oldi, and India is also working on another road from Sasoma to Saserla that could eventually provide an alternative route to the DBO near the Karakoram Pass. And on the night of 15 June 2020, after 45 years, India and China suffered casualties in a violent face-off. During the de-escalation process underway in the Galwan Valley, a violent face-off took place on the Monday night with casualties. The Indian Army said that 20 soldiers and one of its officers were martyred in a violent face-off with the China's People Liberation Army in eastern Ladakh in the Galwan Valley region on Monday night. China's newspaper The Global Times also confirmed 43 deaths of the Chinese soldiers, including many injuries. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat, and Army Chief General M.M. Naravne have held successive meetings at the residence of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh over the issue, and Defense Minister Rajnath Singh also gave a brief to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is all about the issue between the India and China going on in the recent days. So if you like the video, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Revision Learning so that you always stay updated with the channel. Thanks for watching.